guys, Firefangs the Game is back with another video. Today, we're doing a vlog and I want to update my channel. So, at the start now, I have a new intro. Yeah, and I worked on that for a long time. And now, I'm doing gaming, vlogs, and challenges. Later in the vlog, I'm going to do a challenge with my sister, and I'll show you what we're going to do it with. This is the slime. I have green and blue. They're different kind of slime. This one's more thick, and this one's more like watery. But they're both pretty cool. This one's blue and this one's green. My sister has pink and black. So, yeah. So her black one is like my blue one, and her pink one's like my green one. So for the challenge, we're gonna hide erasers in the slime. Then we're gonna put them in their containers, and whoever finds the most erasers first wins. And we're gonna do a bunch of rounds. So I'll come back to you when my sister gets home. We're back, and my sister's here. Heidi has her slime.
These two.
And
I got
so this
pink
is
and
the
black.
challenge. So
It's a really fun game.
These are our containers.
Yeah.
And then we have 7 erasers, and we need to hide them in the slime.
Yeah, you have a bunch of erasers over here.
And we pick. So let's pick them all. I'll pick mine first.
Mine.
Stop. Stop. We're picking one at a time.
Okay. I picked my first one.
Oh, you can't see. I picked this one.
I picked the panda, and now I'm gonna pick a fox.
I
Fox
picked
and panda.
the guitar.
And I picked a pig.
I picked this.
And I picked this little doggy.
Are you going to show them to the camera?
I did.
Oh, I got the fishy.
And I got the snowflake.
And I got this Barney guy.
And a pig.
We have 4.
4, 5, 6.
Okay, I picked 2 now then. You already have 6. I'm going to pick this whale and this hippie van.
And I'm picking this little skeleton one.
That's all yours?
Yeah. I think.
My
1,
last
2,
one.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
This is my last one, soccer ball.
Do I have 7?
We should be able to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we're too much. I'll get rid of this guitar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we have 7. Let's start the game.
Now we have to hide them.
In the slime. I got black in my pink slime. I have a good idea. Wait, give me that back.
Wiggle, 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 do, 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 do.
Duh! That is like... like this.
Okay.
I did my first can.
Okay, I'm done.
I know.
So then I have to give mine to Heidi, and Heidi gives her to mine, and we have to find them, and we have to put, when we find all the erasers, we have to put all the slime back then after we got all of them done.
You gotta put the lid on.
And you have to say done. Yeah, you have to put the lid on.
I don't know put the black.
Okay, fine, it's fine. Well, it's Heidi's a little of it.
Overflowing.
Where's the black lid? Already fell off. 3,
2,
1,
1.
go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How do you do it? You only have 6. Oh, never mind. 7.
No.
Done.
No.
I won.
Now, these switch erasers.
Yep.
I get to use Phoenix's erasers.
What are you doing? Why are you giving me this?
I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
I can't open
6,
this.
7. And
In the comments below, say what your favorite slime is. Green, blue, black, or pink.
yeah, because I have black and pink and he has blue and green.
And guys, please subscribe to Mateo. His
Yep.
YouTube channel, or my cousin Mateo. His YouTube channel is Fire Phoenix the Gamer.
Yep.
Or not Fire Phoenix. It's my channel. His YouTube channel is
What is it?
Crazy Kid the Fire Eater. And yeah. My mom's laughing in the background.
I know. It's kind of.
You ready to put some? This.
No, wait. I gotta mix some.
Slime attack.
I'm gonna
Come on, let's throw it at the line.
mix it in.
That's my mom talking in the background.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Yeah.
You're like doing all this crazy stuff. Crazy mom.
That's awesome.
What?
Like, when mommy's doing all these crazy stuff. Guys, I hope, hopefully you guys like my new title.
Yeah,
It's pretty good.
it is.
Okay, I'm done.
And I'm done.
Okay, you ready?
3,
3,
2, 1.
Get this in there.
Dad!
That's it. Oh my god, that's my mom crunching in the background, if you know that.
I won!
How did you go that fast? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How did you go that fast?
I don't know, I just do
Like-
it.
Sorry, guys.
That's my slime.
Okay, now
I did it
we're
again.
gonna do one more round.
This is a fun game, and you always play
If
it.
you guys are looking
On the
for slime, go to
Dollar Tree.
You already
And
said
they
that.
have 2 different kinds of slimes.
Yeah,
Like this kind of slime,
this was more
And-
thick and this was more.
thin.
More water.
Do you take all my... Why do you have more than me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
7.
Gimme.
Drawing.
It's kind of hard to open these ones. Can you open them for this one?
Okay. At the end, we'll say which slime is our favorite.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start.
Let's go.
What?
What? Don't talk, Mom. You're doing a video.
Yeah, Mom.
Can't pin my.
If you guys want to see my
Birdie's
mom,
slimy.
here she is.
Trying to put those on her fireplace. I got one. You gotta put the lid on. What?
What are you laughing at, Mom? I don't know what's wrong with my mom. All she does is laugh.
I know.
Oh, now she's
Stop!
making weird sounds.
It's like her cat.
She's like,
It's like a cat now.
that's my mom crunchy in the background again. Mom!
It's our party.
Mom!
Sorry.
Stop! God, she has bad gas. She has gas problems. And look what Heidi did. Okay, wait.
This one's like so weird.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I'm not getting good luck because I'm going to win.
Oh no! Oh no! Dad.
Dad! Woo!
Now I gotta use Phoenix's.
I'm the winner. Heidi won 1 round and I won 2. So, I'm the winner of this slime challenge.
Round.
No.
Aww.
Well, this is the end of the vlog. Now we're gonna see what our favorite slimes are. My favorite slime.
Is from mine. My favorite slime is probably the pink.
What did you put in here?
What? Ew! It's like a booger or something. My favorite out of my black and pink is probably my pink.
Mine is my green. The green one is way more fun.
Yeah,
And it doesn't
and my
break
pink
apart.
is way more fun.
I like the blue one though too.
I kind of like the black too.
Okay. See you later, guys. Bye.